I have received a lovely box from Opies. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It could be Opies. Opies. And inside this box, you will see, let's have a look. Oh, look at that. So, Opies is a family-run business based in Kent, in England, and in this box we have fruits in alcohol. So I'm going to show you the fruits in alcohol, and I'll also show you the recipe. So here's an example of red berries with pink gin. Look at the packaging. So basically, these make fantastic hampers, gift hampers for Christmas. You can also make some baking recipes, cooking, or even after dinner treats. You don't actually have to even cook. You can just have a nice little piece of fruit in alcohol. So let me take out the rest of the goodies. So you can see this fantastic range, and wouldn't this just make a lovely gift hamper? You've got the pickled walnuts, the cocktail cherries, the apricots in whiskey. You've got the figs in rum, and as I said earlier, the red berries with pink gin. So actually you could also make cocktails. They're just a great stocking filler, perfect for just general gifts or Christmas. And again, this is a gift. I've been gifted this item, but this is lovely. I think I might just make a cocktail. Don't know if I want to bake, but I think this is absolutely lovely. Let's have a look at the recipes. Let's open this lovely envelope. Oh gosh. Oh wow. So I've just opened up the apricots, and you can smell the whiskey. I'm going to get a big chunk. It's dripping a little bit. Very generous, as you can see. They look lovely and juicy. Yeah, these are nice. These are really nice. Because the pickled walnuts were mentioned in a recipe, a Buddha bowl recipe, I just want you to have a quick taste. So let me have a quick taste. Oh, it actually tasted better than I expected. Okay. It's tart, but a little bit sweet. I like these. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try one more jar. And the last jar I'll try. Oh, are the pink berries. So, I say the pink berries. Like I've been drinking the gin. It's red berries with pink gin. So let me just take a nice, lovely spoonful. Oh. Sweet. Yummy. Decadent. Yes, I like